Welcome back to Eat Well, Live Well. I'm Nancy.
And I'm Susan.
Yes, and we are in episode 2 of our series, Meno-plan.
Meno-plan.
Yes, foods for nutrition and health to support women as their hormones are changing and beyond.
Yes. Today, are you ready for this?
I'm ready. What are we having?
And this will be a really filling one too. It's creamy pasta with kale.
Yum.
Yes.
So, and this is dairy-free, right?
Yes. Oh yes, it's dairy-free. So what we're gonna do while the pasta, which I already made the pasta, but while the pasta is boiling at home, you should make the sauce because everything at the end gets tossed in the pan. So if you wait to make it, then you're like, oh. So I would definitely make my sauce first.
Yeah, I want to know how we like.
It's like our yay, right? We all have our little things.
I liked it. It's like a little dance step in the middle of cooking.
Did you like it? You're so fun. And I'm going to use our handy little Pampered Chef twist and chop here to make our sauce.
This is great because I mean you still can scrape some stuff down, but it goes up and down, so it moves the food for everything for you.
I say I'm gonna make it.
She says she's gonna use it.
It doesn't want to turn. Why do you not want to turn on?
Is this all the way down?
Oh wait, you have to have the lid on.
Oh, you have to have the lid on. See, we're live.
I'm thinking ahead to everything I have to do to get it in there. Okay, so in the high speed little blender here, power blender, we're gonna add our cashews.
Yes, which are your healthy fats. We will drill this in. Fat does not make you fat. You do have to monitor the amount of fat that you're consuming that's right for you, your body, your goals, where you're at in life, but you want to get those healthy fats in.
And we're gonna add the water. And then we're gonna add our nutritional yeast.
Yes, so nutritional yeast, great source for vitamin B12 and some protein.
And it gives it that cheesiness and it's so good.
I just did a little reel where I was sprinkling nutritional yeast and I said I really do, it's like fairy dust for me.
So I like that. So we have our fairy dust in our sauce and now we're gonna add some lemon juice. And a lot of, let me put the lid on because this one is
making our
creamy sauce that's going to go on our pasta and our kale.
Yum.
Okay, so you're going to lock that in and then it turns on.
I
haven't had this little one just for a couple of months now. So the beauty of this one is in the top. I got to move it over.
I was going to say, come on over.
A little over here. There we are.
There she is.
There's a little hole in the top and you can pour the olive oil in that. And see it. Well, I don't know if you can see or not, but it will start drizzling down in there. Turn that off.
Real quick, we try to do these as real time as possible, so you can really see like how long something takes. If we ever have to cut because something is taking us longer, we will let you know. Like we cut and now we're coming back. So that you have an idea of how long something really takes.
And that's just a little salt and pepper added to it. I don't have it locked in. You must lock it in. I'm just going to pulse that a couple of times. So we're just going to set our sauce aside and then we're going to make our kale. So we're going to first put the olive oil in the pan. So I'm going to add the olive oil to the pan. And then I'm going to do some garlic, mince some garlic in there. And you want to be careful not to have your fire too high for kale. I mean for the garlic, because you don't want to burn the garlic.
Just get it nice and warmed up and a little brown.
No, I wouldn't even brown it because once you start browning it, it's going to start burning. So I would just, I can smell it. When you smell it, that's when I say, that's enough.
And I think that, so kale, the health benefits of kale, there's so many great enzymes, vitamins, minerals, fiber. It's just wonderful for your overall health. What I love is this is 4 cups, right?
4 cups,
but it really, when you cook it, it really wilts down. So you get like a lot of kale, but you don't feel like crazy full.
You don't have to eat. You don't feel like you're eating a whole full 4 cups in a
You're
salad,
not
like, you know.
Yeah, you're like, there's no way I can eat all that. That's
right,
whenever when somebody tells me I'm really, really hungry, I go, put a huge bowl of greens in front of you, and you'll find out that quickly.
Yes, you will.
Yeah,
so that smells really good. I wish I could smell
good.
the garlic. It smells so good.
It does. So the what was I gonna say? For the kale, so definitely it's got a lot of, like I said, a lot of high properties. You want to get your greens and do like a variety of greens throughout the week. Like mix them up, kale, baby spinach, Swiss chard, romaine, add some herbs when you can.
So good.
Like, you always want to think of that plant diversity so that you are ensuring that you're getting like different minerals and vitamins and things like that in the course of your meals.
We were talking earlier about garlic. Now this one only calls for 1 clove. We would probably put 2 or 3.
Yeah.
And if it has any herbs, I would add most likely double of what they're saying, because I want that, the benefits from that, and I like the flavor.
Yeah, me too. Mm-hmm. Me too. I definitely, I like garlic.
I do too.
Oh, I can smell, that smells delicious.
Doesn't it smell really good?
We've said this so many times, instead of just video, we wish we had like smell-o-vision, and you could actually smell the aromas of what's going on here. Because we know it's a little hard to see, and but it smells so
delicious.
good.
So it's pretty wilted now. So what I'm going to add to it now is the pasta.
I'm just going to move these over because she will bring it over here. And this is chickpea pasta, so it's pre-cooked already. But again, it's chickpea. It's going to give you the extra protein benefit. It's got some fiber to it. Instead of just a plain white pasta where everything has been removed, this is a great alternative. There are some other pastas out there. There's protein pasta, there's lentil pasta, there's black bean pasta. So again, get creative, find what you like, mix it up. Also with this one, we are simply making the kale and pasta base. You will definitely want to add more protein to this. You're getting.
She's reading my mind. I was just thinking back there, how about some chickpeas in here?
Yeah. So you could put more chickpeas in it. You could put some tofu in it, some tempeh, you know, whatever you want to increase that. Oh, or edamame would be good too.
Edamame would be beautiful.
Yeah, edamame would be really pretty. This is gorgeous.
Look how pretty that is.
Oh my God.
I haven't even, and it smells so good.
It does smell so good. So listen, I say this all, people are like, I can't meal prep. Here you go.
That was super easy. I mean,
and if you didn't want to put all the sauce in it right away, you could save the sauce, have your meals, and then mix it up throughout the week and make different things. But this is going to be this is gorgeous. That was so easy.
Wasn't that easy? I mean, the pasta took about 10 minutes to cook.
Oh my God, that's so pretty.
And you saw how fast the sauce made, you know, and then 5 minutes for the wilting of the kale. Yeah. So we have dinner in less than 20 minutes.
Yeah, that's beautiful. And again, all you really need is just some more protein, whatever that looks like for you. Add that in, get creative, and you have you could put, oh my God, I'm even thinking, I like little red pepper flakes on top of it. Would be so good just to give it a little spicy kick.
I'd toss in some tomatoes too.
Yes,
I would.
Little cherry tomatoes, like cut.
I'd probably do some mushrooms because she doesn't care for it. But I would probably add some nice mushrooms to this. Yeah, even some black olives would be nice too.
So consider this one, again, lunch, dinner, leftovers, meal prep. And again, it's just helping you really get that balance of healthy fats, all your micronutrients in here, your carbohydrates, your proteins. That is what we are always looking for. It is just, I really do. I see all the stuff for, menopause and hormones, and everything has its place. But when you talk to people, the kind of the hierarchy is your nutrition plays the most important factor. Then you've got your stress management, your exercise. supplements, and then if you need to do like HRT or something like that. But a lot of people go from the point down, and you really want to go down up. You want, like, that's the curve. Do these things first.
Are we gonna do a taste?
We are gonna do a
so
taste.
Here's your plate.
This
your fork.
looks delicious.
It does look
I
very
have
delicious.
company in town, and I feel like she's gonna get something for dinner.
Yeah, she is.
Okay.
Let's see.
I can't take too
I
big
know,
of a
I
bite. I
wanna
was
get-
about to take a humongous bite.
I didn't get pasta.
Oh,
That's nice.
it really, I'm telling you.
It's cheesy.
That's what I was just gonna say. You do not need dairy. This is so good.
It is.
This is crazy good.
Oh my gosh, I love it.
Yep. So the recipe, of course, is going to be below. So you'll have it, get creative, do all the things. And if you have any questions, always please reach out to us, let us know. And if you make it, please let us know. We want to hear how it went for you, how you enjoyed it. And that is the end of this episode.
Well, one other thing, Nance, we're gonna put the links to our, when we use Pampers Chef products, we're gonna put the link to them at the bottom also.
Yeah. And I'm telling you, they really, I'm not a cook, we've said that before, but I love all the gadgets, and they really do make life easier in the kitchen.
They do. So that's it now.
Yeah, perfect. All right. Thank you for tuning in. Bye.
See you next time. Bye.